Welcome to our enlightening journey into the world of onions, where we uncover the remarkable powers hidden within this everyday vegetable. Today's episode reveals how even a single onion can trigger a series of irreversible reactions in your body, showcasing effects that are truly astonishing. Join us as we delve into the onion's journey from ancient kitchens to modern health science, where its potential is often overlooked in our daily diets. Are you ready to discover the hidden wonders of common foods? Hit the like button and let's embark on this exciting exploration together. For more fascinating insights into the natural remedies provided by everyday foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In this episode, we're not just talking about the nutritional value of onions, but also exploring their unique chemical properties and the incredible health benefits they offer. Stay with us as we peel back the layers of this seemingly simple kitchen ingredient to uncover its amazing capabilities in enhancing health and well-being. Diving into the fascinating world of onion chemistry reveals a complex array of compounds, each contributing uniquely to our health and well-being. At the heart of an onion's health benefits lies quercetin, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory and antihistamine effects, playing a vital role in combating various ailments. Additionally, onions are abundant in sulfur-containing compounds, responsible for their distinct aroma and flavor and crucial for numerous health benefits. These sulfur compounds are being actively researched for their potential roles in cancer prevention and treatment, making onions a topic of interest in modern medicine. When you slice into an onion, it releases a gas that, when it comes into contact with your eyes, turns into sulfuric acid, causing that well-known teary reaction. This seemingly annoying reaction actually triggers the release of beneficial enzymes, contributing significantly to the onion's overall health-promoting qualities. Our video animations will help visualize how these compounds interact within the human body, breaking down complex biochemical processes into easily understandable concepts. Moreover, onions contain flavonoids that are essential in protecting our body's cells from oxidative damage, thus playing a role in preventing chronic diseases. These flavonoids, along with the sulfur compounds, contribute to the regulation of blood sugar levels, making onions a valuable addition for those managing diabetes. In this section, we'll also explore the antimicrobial properties of onions, which have been used traditionally in different cultures for treating wounds and infections. To make these scientific insights more relatable, we will include everyday examples and practical tips on how to leverage these benefits through regular onion consumption. Understanding the science behind onions helps us appreciate their role not just as a culinary ingredient, but as a contributor to our overall health and longevity. The humble onion, often overlooked in the culinary world, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a plethora of health benefits that are both varied and significant. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants, onions play a crucial role in promoting heart health by reducing the risk of heart diseases and strokes. Their anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial, offering natural relief from pain and swelling, which is especially useful in conditions like arthritis. Onions are also champions for digestive health. Their prebiotic fibers are essential for a healthy gut, aiding in digestion and bolstering the immune system. Recent studies have shed light on the potential of onions in cancer prevention, especially regarding types like stomach and colorectal cancer, due to their unique compounds. Beyond physical health, onions contribute positively to mental well-being, helping combat stress and improve mood, thanks to their high antioxidant content. In this section, discover how the simple addition of onions to your meals can lower blood sugar levels, improve skin health, and much more, making them an indispensable part of a healthy diet. We'll also delve into the role of onions in bone density improvement, showcasing their lesser-known benefits in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Additionally, the natural antibacterial and antiviral properties of onions make them a go-to home remedy for colds and flu, reinforcing their status as a kitchen-based health aid. Join us as we explore the myriad ways in which the everyday onion can not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also boost your overall health and vitality. In this enlightening chapter, we delve into the fascinating concept of irreversible reactions in the body triggered by the humble onion, and their profound long-term health implications. The term irreversible reaction refers to the permanent changes that the nutrients and bioactive compounds in onions can induce within our body systems. For instance, the cardiovascular benefits, such as lowered blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, are not transient but rather have enduring effects on heart health. The anti-inflammatory properties of onions contribute to a sustained decrease in the risk of chronic diseases, including arthritis and diabetes, showcasing their lasting impact. Once integrated into our diet, the antioxidants in onions provide continuous protection against cellular damage and oxidative stress, vital for long-term health maintenance. This ongoing protection is essential in preventing age-related degenerative diseases and certain types of cancer, underscoring the significance of regular onion consumption. Through detailed graphics and animations, we will make these complex biochemical processes accessible and understandable to all our viewers. Understanding these irreversible reactions helps in appreciating onions as a long-term ally for our health, far beyond their temporary benefits. The sulfur compounds in onions, for example, play a crucial role in detoxifying the body, leading to improved liver function and overall detoxification over time. Additionally, the impact of onions on bone health is substantial. Regular consumption can lead to stronger, healthier bones, a benefit that accumulates and persists. We will also explore the role of onions in cognitive health, particularly how their nutrients contribute to improved brain function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Join us as we uncover the remarkable and lasting transformations that a simple addition of onions to our diet can bring about, paving the way for a healthier future. In this final chapter, we'll guide you through practical and delicious ways to incorporate onions into your everyday diet, unlocking their full health potential. Onions are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, perfect for enhancing flavors in dishes ranging from salads and soups to stews and sauces. For those sensitive to the pungent taste and aroma of onions, we have tips to minimize these characteristics while maintaining their nutritional benefits. Explore the different varieties of onions, from the mild sweetness of vidalias to the robust sharpness of red onions, and learn how each type can be used in cooking for both flavor and health. We'll also delve into the world of fermented onions, uncovering how this process can enhance both the flavor and the probiotic content beneficial for gut health. Discover how onions can be a subtle yet effective ingredient in smoothies and juices, adding nutritional value without overpowering other flavors. Join us in celebrating the onion, a simple kitchen staple with extraordinary health benefits, and transform the way you think about and use onions in your daily cooking. As our exploration of the onion comes to a close, we've uncovered its astonishing capabilities, from enhancing health to providing culinary delights. This humble vegetable, often taken for granted, is a true health hero packed with nutrients that trigger irreversible positive changes in our bodies. We've journeyed through history, science, and practical cooking, revealing the onion's multifaceted role in our diets and overall well-being. We hope this in-depth look has not only informed, but also inspired you to elevate the role of onions in your daily life for both health and flavor. If you're amazed by the power of the onion, show your support by liking and sharing this video, helping others discover these incredible health secrets. Engage with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to incorporate onions into your diet or any onion-related questions you may have. Your participation and feedback are invaluable in shaping our content, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest health discoveries and nutritional insights. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of onions. Stay tuned for more health secrets revealed right here on our channel.